The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dance no one gonna go.
That's right. Man, that father walking like a world.
Original Tiger. Banging.
King Selassie, you know. Slang King Selassie.
I don't see. You don't know what we do.
In our building, calling that Tiger Day.
Respect the ancient name, you know?
Every time. Crown of King Selassie.
Silver Augustone Foundation in the music. Tiger himself.
But up in lane of the main, Augustone Road. Listen, bow, settle.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you that shows off a person that is known as the Sizzla Kalonji. And yes, by the way, this video is out on social media, you see me? Now, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video not only shows off the Jamaican musician, or you can say Jamaican artist, who goes by the name of Sizzla Kalonji, but this video also shows off a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Tiger. You see what I say? Tiger, like Tiger that sings those music back in the days. You see what I say? Yeah, music like I say hide and seek. You know who will be there. You see me? All them song there. You see me? I mean, I said to myself, say, but wait. A long time in a year, nothing from Tiger. You got to me as a viewers and subscribers. I mean, you know, ever since me can remember, me always hear about an accident that had happened where Tiger was involved in this accident and so forth. And from that, a bare speculations and all kind of accusations me been hearing about Tiger and them things there. You see me? And, you know, now that's me see this video, me I said, Jano, but Tiger, you know, everything kind of good. You see me not sure everything good, kind of like me know everything what go on. But you know, me happy to see Tiger there. You see me I say, yeah man, so big up and respect to Sizzla Kalonji and big up and respect to Tiger. You see me I say, in my book, Tiger is a veteran in this music business. You see me I say, yeah, create some waves, you know, create big waves too, according to how me understand it. You see it? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, you know, me have some more videos, but I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And according to how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of the person that is known as Scatterbarrel trying to let persons out there understand as to how serious this COVID-19 thing is. Alright, and I'm talking about COVID-19, or you could say the coronavirus. You get what I'm saying to you? Now here I'm going to present the video to you right about now, viewers and subscribers. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, see uno people when now listen and follow the rules and behave and carry on like say at lunchtime or in primary school, when I fight, when I flinch to, when I buckle, when I run from police and all of these things. Shit is gonna get real little from now, you hear that? In a short moment, in a few days, things are gonna get real. In the coming future, if you don't behave on yourself and follow the rules, you're not gonna have dead body a pile upside down in your house and you don't know what to do with them. Because that virus here, whatever it is, it will kill people and people are dead from it. And it will catch every factions of society, rich, poor, higher class, lower class. None of them are better off than none. But uno when I follow the rules of uno now, I make it bad for the entire Jamaica. Me sick on man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media where it is said that the person that is known as Scatterbarrel is trying to let persons understand that this COVID-19 thing is no joke. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, and this video is out on social media, and according to how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that I've seen and heard in this video as well, it seems as if this person is sending a warning out there to persons to let them understand as to how serious this COVID-19 thing is, and trying to tell persons out there to be careful. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of the person speaking somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and you might have an understanding as to where within the country of Jamaica is this video from, and you can also tell me if you agree with what this person had said or if you don't agree with what this person had said. All right, you can tell me what you think. All right, now here I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now take a look, listen and observe.
Wear your mask, social distance as much as you can. This is no joke. Millions will die, and Jamaica will not escape. Right? Taxi men, as soon as still loaded up on the taxi, we don't wear mask, and you people going there, we don't wear mask. I want to practice social distancing. Now the minister has asked to come out this morning and warn. Trelawny don't have a case yet, but it's not too late. Manchester has quite a number of cases, and the taxis here travel between Christiana and Albert Town. I am warning you people, this country is not capable of dealing with everybody. We had 32 people last night. We had hell to find a place with more than one doctor to deal with them. No, put the measures in place. Social distance, wash your hands, sanitize your hands, wear your mask in public. You have your own lives in hand, not the government, you. So, especially persons that are over 65, wear your mask. And you know by law legal you're not supposed to be on the road. Yes, sir. No. This is no joke.
What did you
This
do?
is a serious warning.
What did you do?
Please. It is for your own safety and the safety of your family. Please, for God's sake, do the things that you are told to do and practice what you are supposed to practice. Thank you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, a video that shows of a person basically giving a word out there to persons, trying to, tell them to be careful and take caution because the COVID-19 thing, it is no joke. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, Now, according to how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a public passenger vehicle that had been stopped at a police checkpoint that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and it is said that the police said that there were too many persons in the vehicle and the social distancing rule was not being practiced. All right, now I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and hopefully that we can learn something from this video, and you can also tell me what you think about what the police officer had said and what the operator of the bus had said. All right, now here I'm going to show you the video right about now. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, but good God, man, watch out.
If you can find some bars, you can 4 bars and 4 right there.
But that was 4. I can't feel like each kid. No, you want to tell the judge that also shall be taken at 3 feet, But if you under clear this and can even know. Then catch me, I shot down. $1 million about. $1 million, I'm actually know the offense. $1 million. Collect can you all of them and make $1 million.
No, so from the curb road, if you can find a road, if you carry that one on that road, let's say we can 4 road, so that was what I carry the bars.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but stay here. What now side here? You are coming on here.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so for keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Alright, and you can let me know what you think about all these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, they're out on social media. Comments have been made about these videos on social media, and I bring these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Alright, and I would like to add a word out there to let everyone know that they should be careful, be safe, practice the whole social distancing thing, listen to the rules and regulations that have been put in place by the governments within your countries out there, is what I'm saying to you. So whether you're a Jamaican or not, it doesn't matter where in the world you are at, listen to the rules and the guidelines and follow them, because these rules and guidelines from the government are, you know, health organizations within your country. They are put in place in trying to stop the spread of this COVID-19, and they're trying to protect not only you but others as well. All right, yes, so please be careful, practice social distancing and keep yourself safe. All right, yeah, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh, no, big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.